Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our Usat prep session. If you are feeling worried about mastering those tricky Bodmas rule questions, don't stress. We have got you covered. I'm here to provide you with carefully designed practice questions that will help solidify your understanding and boost your confidence. These exercises are crafted to make Bodmas rule clear and easy to apply in any problem you face. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any concept. The more you practice, the more familiar and comfortable you will become while applying the Bodmas rule, even in the most challenging problem. Each question you solve will bring you one step closer to mastering the crucial mathematical principle. This topic is a game changer as it's almost guaranteed that at least one MCQ will be from here. Remember, every mark holds an immense value. It could be deciding factor between securing your spot on merit list or falling short. So now I am sharing some practice questions. You may take screenshot or save them in your notebook so that you can make your concepts stronger. Tentative date for the Usat test is 2nd February, so you got 20 days until the Usat test. And that's plenty of time to make a real impact. Every single day is a fresh opportunity to focus, learn and improve. The hard work you have already put in has laid a strong foundation, and now it's all about refining and sharpening your skills. Think about the satisfaction you will feel when you walk out of the test knowing you give it everything. This test is a stepping stone towards your future dream, and every bit of your effort you invest now will pay off. Remember, you have overcome challenges before, and this is just another one that you are more than capable of handling. Stay positive, visualize your success, and trust in your ability to rise to the occasion. You have got this. Every bit of the knowledge you gain now adds confidence in yours. It's normal to feel pressure, but remember that pressure creates diamonds. Use this time wisely and take it one step at a time. Break down your study plan into manageable chunks and celebrate every little victory along the way. Each question you master and each concept you understand is another tool in your arsenal. Believe in your potential and remind yourself why this test matters to you. Your dedication and perseverance will make all the difference. Keep pushing forward, stay focused, and know that you are capable of achieving the great things. As 2nd February is a tentative date, so there are the chances that the test might be on 2nd February or 9th Feb or 20th Feb. So don't lose hope. Take these 20 days as a chance to achieve your dreams. Hope so you like the video. Must share, subscribe, comment and like. Allah Hafiz.